Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a retrospect text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert the retrospect text box. Go to the insert menu and we can see here not available the option. Now we want to insert this. Go to the Microsoft Word document and create a blank page. Then go to insert menu. Click the text box drop down menu. Then we can see here many text box. Then we find and select the retrospect text box and we select it. Then we can see we insert the retrospect. Then we copy this. Firstly press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select this, then Ctrl C to copy, then go back the publisher document, then press Ctrl V on our keyboard to paste. Now we can see we insert the retrospect text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.